So hello everyone, and today I'm going to share you my experience of cleaning the Nepal Radio Ground next to our school, Premier International. And so what we did was there was a public ground, Nepal Radio Ground, governmental ground. It was a public property, and it used to be used for public regular exercises and multiple games and uh, other general stuff. And there was a lot of um, bottles of alcohols and the leftovers of cigars and many other waste and plastics. So what we did was the Premier School IBDP cash team took the initiative and to make try to make the place favorable and try to clean the place where we identified our strength and developed areas for growth, demonstrated the skills and recognized the benefit of working collaboratively, demonstrated engagement with issue of global significance. So for we how did we got those learning outcomes is we identified our strengths and we worked collaboratively. We learned many things. We learned about working collaboratively. We learned how by our lenses and by seeing the places around us, we could make this country, we could make this world better. Huge change. We demonstrated the skills and recognized the benefit of working collaboratively. As we were working collaboratively, we had divided ourselves in groups, and we divided ourselves in some areas where we worked, where we worked collaboratively. We distributed our work, and which made the workload very less and made us easier to work. And we demonstrated an engagement issue with the issue of global significance, as the pollution has been a global issue, not only in Nepal, not only in other countries, but in a whole world. The pollution, water pollution, land pollution, any kind of pollution has been one of the major issues for the environment. So, by cleaning the environment of near our homes, near our schools, and within the areas of our capabilities, we we not only demonstrated the and identified our strength. We also engaged with the global issue of significance.